You've humbled me. In recent months, over 13,000 of you have joined my channel, showing your appreciation and eagerness for more content. To me, each subscriber is like a divine presence, and I am profoundly grateful to every single one of you. In return, I send my deepest love and highest hopes, wishing that it touches each of you. I hope that every day ahead brings immense blessings to your lives. Continue to illuminate your paths and support one another. As I now retreat into a state of joyful meditation, I leave you with the soothing voice of a lady whom I regard as an angel. Together, let's envision and work towards a utopian society, a dream that has captivated humanity for centuries.
Imagine heaven as embodying feminine qualities, akin to a mother, sister, and daughter. It's a widely held belief that women often exhibit greater sensitivity and tenderness compared to men. These attributes, along with their beauty, are mirrored in the concept of heaven. Women are also innately intuitive, especially in motherhood. They instinctively understand and cater to their children's needs, essential for their growth. This nurturing, however, is complemented by the father's support as the child matures, eventually transitioning to an ethereal, heavenly existence. The journey can be lengthy and intricate.
My belief system is eclectic. It doesn't align with just one doctrine, but embraces truths found across various beliefs. These truths, for me, are the ones that withstand time and remain unaltered. As I've aged, my awareness has deepened, connecting me more profoundly with the universe. This journey wasn't always easy. I experienced moments when my desire to live waned, as the allure of the other side seemed overwhelmingly beautiful, and I'm cautious about leading others down a path as intense as mine. Many ask why I don't fear death. In humans, innate mechanisms like fear and pain act as barriers to death. My perspective is different, and I feel compelled to share it. Whether you're an atheist or deeply religious, I respect your beliefs. I'm not here to dismantle your convictions, even if I find some aspects untrue. If my words seem offensive, I apologize for my limited understanding. Perhaps I'll grasp your beliefs in the future.
Ultimately, I believe it's our actions, shaped by our morals, that matter most. It's these actions that lead us towards enlightenment. Faced with the choice between life and death, I believe most will choose based on their circumstances, like family obligations. We, the people of the world, are presented with an incredible opportunity. Our only challenge is the veil we're born with, which obscures our perception. If you believe in reincarnation, then embracing life's challenges may be seen as a pursuit loved by the Creator. This love for overcoming obstacles is innate, regardless of whether you recognize a divine presence or attribute your existence solely to your ancestors, like your parents and grandparents. Our feelings towards our forebears are complex. We may feel love for them, regardless of their actions, simply because their existence led to ours. On Earth, we are presented with a unique opportunity. Gaining full awareness can lead to a profound sense of wonder and amazement. Our love extends beyond our planet, to the solar system, the sun, the galaxy, and all within our reach. This love is reciprocated with equal intensity, whether we are conscious of it or not. As you progress on your journey towards enlightenment, you open up new realms of the universe to explore and understand on your own terms.
I'm returning to make a final, impactful statement to conclude this video. Knowing that 13,000 of you have subscribed fills me with a profound sense of responsibility to share an essential truth with you, and I am committed to doing just that. Now, as I retreat into meditation, I will focus my thoughts on a vision of global harmony. I'll contemplate a world where our collective higher intelligence shapes a utopian society, a dream that humanity has harbored for thousands of years.